Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can save photos and Snapchat to your gallery. Friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started and open up the Snapchat app on your phone. And in order to find some memories or old stories that you've had, swipe from the bottom to the top. That will take you to some of the memories. And in order to save some of them, just tap on the photo and then hold down pause. And you'll get a menu like this. You'll need to choose the last option from it, and that's share or send. And now in this top menu, scroll a little bit to the side and find the Save section. As you can see, at the top, you'll see the word Saved at the top. And now you can check it out by going to your gallery. And as you can see, this photo is now saved in the gallery. So that's the simple way, friends, you can save Snapchat photos to your phone gallery. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.